Hi, this is Carol and welcome to my channel Inspired By. Today I would like to show you how I made this 3-tier shelf for my bathroom using mirrors from the Dollarama and some acrylic rods that I had left over from a previous project. Now my bathroom is very small, so space for storage is very limited. So this is why I chose to do this small shelf using these 9x9 mirrors. I must apologize ahead of time. I was so focused on doing the DIY that I didn't notice that some of my shots or some of my videos is not centered. But if you have any questions or concern, just leave it in the comment section. I will have a list of all the materials that is needed below, but right here what I'm doing is I'm using my Gorilla Glue, the clear one, to adhere the glass rods or the acrylic rods onto my mirrors that I purchased from the Dollarama. Now after having 2 of the shelves done, what I've done is place a piece of board on top of the acrylic rods to weigh down the rods onto the mirrors. So this is the final product and I'm actually very pleased with it. It's able to store the things that I need without taking up too much room. So if you like what you saw today, please like, please share, and subscribe. And once again, thank you for watching my video. And this is Carol from Inspired By, and have yourself a great day.